Hey everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how to create a bootable USB drive for installing Ubuntu in your PC. For creating a bootable drive, you need to have the following things. You should have a Windows 10 PC, one USB drive which is having a size of 8 GB or more, an Ubuntu ISO image, and a software called Rufus. Rufus is one of the software for writing the Ubuntu ISO image to a thumb drive. Using Rufus, you can convert your thumb drive to an Ubuntu bootable drive. Make sure you have plugged a USB drive on your PC before starting this tutorial. Also download your favorite Ubuntu ISO image from the Ubuntu website. In this tutorial, I am working with Ubuntu 18.04 image. Let's see how to set up Rufus and how to write the Ubuntu ISO image to the USB drive. Open a web browser and search for Rufus download. The first link that you're getting will be the official website of Rufus. You can just click on the link and you can see an option to download Rufus for Windows. Just download the Rufus and you will get a window like this. This is a simple application to burn an ISO image to a thumb drive. You can see an option to select the USB drive and an option to choose an Ubuntu ISO image. Make the rest of the options as the same. After selecting the thumb drive and ISO image, just press the start button to start the writing process. It will show some pop-up windows, but you can press OK to proceed. Okay, so now it will take around 5 to 10 minutes to complete the writing process. After completing the writing process, you can reboot the computer and boot it from the USB drive. It will boot into your Ubuntu desktop. You can now install Ubuntu in the real PC. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.